up? What's up? What's up, guys? Do we refer you by your name or do we refer you by Pineapple?
I think pineapple is good.
Pineapple works.
Pineapple. Pineapple works. Pineapple works.
Yeah.
So we'll set the premise of this episode first to begin with, and then you all can all say hi and everything. So premise of this episode starts with my birthday just passed by last weekend ish,
Happy
and
birthday.
yes, I'm old and ancient now. And this person who is my friend decided to call me, and she very nicely went on a nice rant, one after the other, irrespective of the fact that whether I was listening or not. I tried to be very attentive, and I realized her problem is thoda matlab genuine. Matlab it's not so easy to solve, and it's a new coming of age kind of a problem. It's thoda female centric, which I didn't have a solution to. And then I got another call, and so I cut her, and then I said, "Call you back later." So I got thinking while obviously I was in the pot. That's how you think, and I came across her
Faलतू
issue, and I was
extra
like,
details.
extra details is what makes our episode crazy. So I was thinking that it's a proper issue which needs to be spoken about, and where better than 340 podcasts. So that's why I invited our guests on our show, who's a friend of mine. These guys haven't met her. Guys, meet Pineapple.
Yeah.
Pineapple, meet guys.
Hi.
Hello.
So, ठीक है. Let's get started.
Okay, so what is this rant about? I'm very intrigued because apparently Georgie said it's an issue that is caused by the male gender.
Good man.
I-
Joe gave me gist. It was very good episode. I was like, puro content, bhalo content.
Okay,
for it.
so actually, I wouldn't say like it's just like the male centric part that is involved in this, but I would definitely say like I am pretty open when it comes to friends, and I am good when when you gotta talk, and I'm more like I listen, but like I'm more of a talker, so it becomes easier for people to talk to me. And I think that with time has made it obvious for other like opposite genders friends to actually look at me in a very different perspective that I was approaching for from the very starting. And I've always made things clear, but sometimes it just becomes too hard to make the friendship keep going, so I always drop it out, and that has been happening for a very long time now. So
In the sense that
yeah.
you're more
That's what I was
forthcoming.
actually. No,
In the
you
sense-
go on, please.
In the sense that you're more forthcoming, and therefore the guys get the wrong impression.
Maybe, yeah. But like, I've never really, yeah. So I actually was telling Joyjeev how like every other guy that I meet somehow, feels that I'm okay to have more than just friendship, meaning being a little more affectionate towards them in a way that I was never ready for from the very starting. That was never my thought to actually go on that road. And they feel that sometimes they can, talk to me about it bluntly. And I don't mind it at some point. Like, it's cool. But
Can you give an example, please? Like a little more
okay.
less gender,
Okay, so
more specific, if you don't mind.
Okay. So, I'm so sorry. So I just because I actually live with my mom right now after the COVID, and I never really got to make friends here because it was all of a sudden thing. And then so I decided that after like lockdown reopens, I'll join the gym just because it'll give me a reason to get out of the house. And I did that. It was fine because starting May I was never really um I did my own thing. I only spoke to the trainer, but after a while there were a few set of guys who actually approached me, and I felt like good about it. They actually told me how to do stuff, which I like. I've never been to the gym, so that quite helped me. But later on, they asked me to go out, and I was like, okay, sure. It was like as a group, not like individually with some guy, but same guys like two friends actually approached me to sleep with them in a way, but which I actually at some point denied. And like they kept it from each other, which I didn't feel okay. And yeah, and the other one kept saying like, don't tell the other one, but both of them approached me, and they apparently are best friends, some like. And I don't think these are the kind of things you end up hiding from your own set of friends. So like, yeah, that happened. So like I just was telling Joyji like how I joined the gym. I was very excited about it, but then this happened, and yeah, so like after that, Joyjeev listened and he told, like he messaged me all of a sudden, and then he asked me like, "Do you want to, talk about this in the podcast?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." And then he asked me like, "If you're having second thought, it's okay, you can leave." And I was like, "No, I mean, I think many people
My
might have
God.
this issue, but they don't really, want to talk about it because it's like not much of a big deal, but somewhere I don't feel good about it, and yeah, that's fact."
Bro, like, it's facts, to be honest. Like, I feel like guys are such assholes sometimes. I'm
But
not kidding.
why are guys like this?
I don't know.
I think let's go back more to the fundamentals of it. जो मेरे को लगता है, I think this is a lot of it. A lot of this may, like, I'm just throwing out an opinion there for all of us to discuss. A lot of this may have to do with a guy coming primarily from a boys' school only. Okay, तो वहाँ पर interaction is only to the teachers. All right, we don't know what it's like to have a friend who is a woman. All right, so even if a woman saying thank you very nicely, like भाई वो मेरे में interest दिखा रही है, जो देखेगा. So I think that's at the core of it. That's where it develops. And I won't lie. Maybe there was a point मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता था. I'm like यार वो तो
But
मेरे पे ऐसे
isn't
देख देख के
this
smile कर रही
but
थी.
isn't this something that okay, we're like 22, 23, 24 now. Isn't this something like that used to happen 7, 8 years back?
I'm talking from the
ये
core.
really
What so
होगा?
we हाँ तू तो so we developed now we eventually got used to it. We like हाँ भाई casually अब कोई office में
This
मेरे
is
से ठीक से
normal
बात
now.
कर रहा है.
Yeah.
Yeah, if somebody's talking to me very nice in office, this doesn't mean that they want to go out with you or
Mm-hmm.
anything of that sort, or vice versa in most probability, vice versa. Right? We eventually realize कि ये chill है, this is normal, but for somebody else this might still be, oh my god, smile की मेरे को देख के हंसी तो हंसी. That kind of a mindset could be there. What do you
हाँ.
guys think? What do you think, Pineapple?
um
Wait,
yeah, I
can we
mean, like,
discuss
sure,
this
like, it's
further before we get her opinion? Because I want to make a point. So
Acha, acha.
there are a few things that she said. One of the things is what guys being friendly initially and then you leaving or them leaving. I didn't get that part.
no, actually, see, so after, like, I how should I put, like, this place where I am right now, actually I've never really had much friends, so I actually thought I started uh going out. Like, I didn't really have friends to go out with, so I thought, like, I could go someplace where I might make friends eventually. And I think it's about the place as well. Maybe, I don't know. And that's just a thing that I have it in my head. But so I let's say talk about the gym only. When I actually went for the first time, the guy who actually approached me to be friends, he actually asked me like, as soon as you enter, it was really nice. Like, he the first thing that he wanted to talk about was how I was looking when I walked in. And it was just about me. Like, he didn't even know me. We were not friends. He didn't even know my name. And like the first, like, it was okay. Somewhere it was a compliment. I get it, but maybe a hi would have helped, or asking my name for as a start. But just jumping right into it was very uncomfortable. But still, I went along with it. I befriended them, just being like nice to them. I didn't really speak to them outside gym, never. That never happened. But slowly, in the gym also, it was going fine, and things went like smooth. So like, they asked me, want to hang out. And like, that was the purpose of going to the gym, making friends. And I was like, okay, it's been a while for me to talking to these guys inside the gym, so maybe I can hang out with them outside as well. So yeah, that happened. But somewhere they actually had that in mind still, since the very starting. And I think during the process, while I was trying to make them friends, I made it quite clear that I am not looking forward to it, like right now, in like this part of my life, right? I'm not actually interested, or like that's not even a choice for me right now. And yeah,
Even that might be like thora difficult. No, how do you exactly say no to someone, or how do you put them down? That would affect, like,
Without
their.
affecting the friendship and affecting how
yeah,
you
but like
see
it
each other
was
next time.
yeah, but I they were not really that close to me. And it was I, like I said, I get away from it, is I just cut out the friendship. I don't really start indulging with them like the way I used to. And it's not that I don't talk to them. If they need me, sure, like a call would be okay. But like I like ultimately that gives me a, like I am left in a place where I just don't want to, you know, hang out with them in person. That usually ends up happening. So that's how I, you know, detach myself from that sort of friendship. And that's been happening for a very long time. And like I think now I've very much adapted to it. I'm pretty much okay with it. Like it doesn't really affect me or bother me, but definitely the part where, you know, every time a guy sees me, I don't want to think like in what way is he thinking, or does he like really want to be my friend, or is something going on inside his head, or like does he expect something more than friendship? And yeah, but like I'm not saying that I don't really have any guy friends. I have one like few guy friends which are really really nice, but there are like this has happened like quite
Joe, she's
often.
not talking about you. You're not nice. Okay, go on.
Oh, Jojo is a great friend actually.
Arey
yaar. Do it for the
No,
thrill of
actually,
the podcast. Come on.
yeah, okay.
Kya baat hai,
I'll tell you something. Like he's like he doesn't really talk much. I think I mostly rant to him. Rant as in I talk stuff. He will listen. He will give a feedback. I think that's our friendship. It's pretty much, you know, very, I don't know, professional kind of friendship. Is it,
I
Joyji?
don't know.
Professional.
It's
Yeah.
advice
So I think
oriented.
yeah, more like that. Yeah.
Maybe.
Consultancy.
हाँ.
So
है
yeah,
Joji
so
थोड़ा
I
cute है.
Ishmeet, your
Cute
thoughts
लड़का है
he
Joji.
is
on this
he's nice.
entire issue, which I mean, I can't say that guys don't do
Yeah.
this. Guys very blatantly do this, and
No.
also,
I
Yeah.
and to the point that, you know, not asking your name and stuff like that. Like, I really think this stems a lot from like Bollywood movies and like TV
Exactly. Even
shows.
I was
I
thinking.
This
know.
is
Yeah.
this is just like jaake kuch
Yeah.
bhi bol do.
I was gonna come to that point only. You know, there's not this saying in Bollywood movies, but there's a saying in general, ki mind me from a crass language, but this is what it is. Either a man thinks from his heart or he thinks from his dick.
Okay.
All right, you must
Yeah.
have come across this, right? And the problem is
Definitely.
people have really normalized this saying, but that should not be the case. That is, you emotions are not black and white. They're in the middle, the gray. Somebody that's such a fuck all statement to make. And मेरे को पता है कि कोई मेरे को भी ऐसे एडवाइस देते हुए बोला था कि यार रश्मि या तो दिमाग यहाँ से होता है वहां से होता है जो करना कर. Then I used to think, that's a cool way to think, but I'm like, no, bro, that's bad. That's fuck to the core of it. And even I have said this to somebody, and now that I'm realizing, I'm like, कि भाई हम क्या ठीक है. I won't say कि I evolved in my thoughts, so I will not say, but really messed up. I think that's where it stems. So क्या बोलूं मैं अब.
Even like
खराब लगता
very
है.
basic notions about, let's say, love, romance and all, we've learned a lot.
Yeah.
Even if you deny it, you learned a lot from Bollywood at the end of
Yeah.
the day.
Bollywood, Hollywood, all of that nonsense.
Yeah, what is love, Shah Rukh Khan, all that, somewhere or the other it has affected you. So last time when I really noticed this was when I watched this. Don't judge, okay? I watched
तो करेंगे.
Badrinath Ki Dulhania in the hall.
Okay, that's fine.
Alia Bhatt, no. Damn.
Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan. Yeah.
Fine.
So I almost shot myself in the head in the middle of the movie. My mom and I went. So basically, there's this whole entire scenario where Varun Dhawan follows around Alia Bhatt, and Alia Bhatt desperately saying like, "No, bro, I'm not interested in you." And Varun Dhawan is the protagonist. He's the hero of the film. And he's like, you know, like following her in the bus. Like, baat nahi karegi kya? Hey, why are you ignoring me? Hello, I'm here. Look at me. Come pay attention. You love me. You don't know it, but.
ये तो अलग ही है. तुम नहीं जानती, तुम मेरे से मोहब्बत करती हो, बट तुम इस बात से वाकिफ नहीं हो. Yeah.
So that I think is the main problem. I think Bollywood can do a lot to.
Which movie was that? Which is really, you know, people like very popular movie, Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol का, वो कौन सा है? दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. Is it that one where he's there outside and he's just stalking her and she's like fuck off and she's like nahi, and then he's smelling her clothes for some fuck all reason.
I guess so.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think
we can't compare that because that was like 1995.
Yeah, but the problem is it's still happening in that Varun Dhawan movie, which is what 4-5 years back. No, that's where the problem is. It's not evolved. Anyway, yeah. What do you think can be done here, Pineapple? In what, like, how, what should be the approach? I think that's where whoever listens to our podcast, because we have a lot of listeners from Xavier's Boys School, and I'm sure some of them do this. Some of them think this way. So you mentioned you start off with a high. Even if you want to show interest, that's okay. That's fair. But start off with a high. Don't make the other person feel very uncomfortable. So what else? What other things would you like to hear in such a scenario?
I think the term fuckboy being like the cool thing is not 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 cool at all, at all. Like, I mean, it's fine, it's your choice, whatever you want to do, but like, you know, call like calling that like calling yourself a boy and feeling cool about it, it's like a it's like an old game, like it's done, like you gotta get over it and, you know, be like,
Not
if
a
you
badge of
are
honor.
having something, yeah, it's not actually. So I think maybe a lot of times guys who actually feel that, you know, this is something that they want to call themselves, makes them do things that they shouldn't be doing at a lot of times. Like, I'm not talking about not going for it, go for it, like cool, but like, you know, the approach is very like, you gotta, I don't know, you gotta be like a little casual, and like a simple anything would work, rather than, you know, complimenting them on the very first time. Or I think approach is one thing that any guy has to actually understand. Like, maybe sometimes, and it's not always like girls don't really speak up if they are uncomfortable, they speak up, and sometimes it turns out to be like, you know, a bad thing, and then the guy just goes on to say like, no, that's not the case, and it's a lot of things, I don't know, like, not all men, but I think not all men somewhere, you know, consist some of the men in every phases,
Yeah.
and there are in like every generic slot there is set of not all men's, but somewhere those are not, you know, the part of the other not all men's, like, but you cannot really, you know, generalize them
I know,
just
I
on that
know.
basis. Like, you
There's
get it what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
yeah, like there are like, I don't think so. None of the men like go for not all, like they don't really stand in the not all men. Like, I think somewhere few maybe not all men, but on the other stands where other men are standing, they might not be there. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Ishmit
There's
has a
you
It's
get
point.
it
okay.
what I'm saying? Yeah,
yeah, I want
Yeah.
to ask a question
yeah.
before you say Rahul. So I just piqued my mind right now. So there's one of the reasons. Okay, so I'm actually I'm saying this because it's happened with me. Okay, and I made a conscious
Okay.
effort to not do this again. So I'll tell you what. So I used to always think. So say there's this girl I really like. Okay, my approach would
Okay.
be ki I'll become friends with her, and then possibly then show my interest, or you know, that I have a romantic
Mm-hmm.
inclination to you. All right. Now, when
Side
that
note,
happened,
failed miserably over the years, but
yeah, exactly. So Joyjeev knows this, and everybody know, my all my close friends know this, and they know exactly what I'm
Okay.
talking about. So that's what, and it was not कि मेरे को मन था वो करने का, genuinely friendship developed, and I really like the person, and I thought that it's going to develop towards that. To a point, I thought
Mm-hmm.
it did, but then when I found out, it did not. All right, and I found it really badly. Now, cut to a second scenario. Then when, you know, with all these experiences and all these learnings, ठीक है ना, when and after Joyjeev's push, धक्का, so then I started talking to this other girl, and in this case, I made a very conscious effort. Of course, I said a hi and spoke normally and all, but I made a conscious effort कि मेरे को तुमको दोस्त बनाना ही नहीं है. I'm not going to make you my friend. All right. I consciously showed, and say after the, you know, after the basic hi and hello, who are you, what do you do, blah blah blah, I made a conscious effort to not compliment, I'll say, but to talk in such a way that it gives that kind of an essence, it gives that kind of feeling कि हाँ मेरे को तुम्हें थोड़ा interest है, and that's the
भाई साहब
route.
फ्लर्ट कर रहे थे.
अरे not even directly flirting, just होता ना एक, anyway, whatever you call it, flirting, very subtle flirting, whatever. So I put that
Subtle flirting.
inclination, and say it worked out for me. All right.
Mhm.
Now, relax. So my
This is
point is,
exactly what her point was. Guys, do this.
yeah, so I
Yeah,
want to
okay.
know what I did. I think I wanted to make it, मेरे को दोस्त नहीं बनना था, like, because कट्टा है,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है ना. So I made it very clear कि I don't want to take that approach. I want to tell you from the front that I have a crush on you, and let's see where this goes, and say it worked out. All right. Now, what do you think about this scenario? Is basically what I wanted to understand from your end. जो मैंने क्या, does it come under that category, or is it right? I don't know whether it can't be right or wrong, but what is your opinion on it? Something about, and be free. If you think I did something stupid, feel free to call me out on it. And your screen is frozen, guest. My God, I left her speechless. तुम दोनों को क्या लगता है जब तक उसका रिकवर, मैं ठीक?
मुझे मुझे लगता है कि
Oh
वाइब
shit,
समझना,
sorry.
पहचानना थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है. लाइक थोड़ा difficult है ये task, but let's
हाँ.
say you are saying something. You can say something and you have to have some sort of understanding that what is comfortable with the other person, what is not comfortable. If let's say first interaction में you are talking about something inappropriate, okay,
Of course.
like with you also, if I met you on the first day in school and I cracked a joke about balls or something like that, okay, you would judge me, right? You would be like, इससे थोड़ा दूर रहते हैं, ठीक है ये. But after a while, when I create a this thing relationship with you, then I can give थोड़ा बहुत गालीज left, right, and center when I'm talking.
Yeah.
So then I became comfortable with you. So with girls also, in the sense when you initially you understand the vibe. Let's say you'll get थोड़ा सा stay away from me vibes at times. So you definitely stay away then, or you'll get an immediate no, then you stay away. But if you say a hi, she also giving you a friendly response. Then you give another set of signal. Then she responds back. उसके बाद थोड़ा से build करो, थोड़ा back and forth, understand body language. वैसे.
देख तेरे को तो पता है पूरा. तेरे को तो पता, हम तेरे को weekly updates दे रहा था, daily updates दे रहा था. What do you think? I got your point, and this is what after the vibe only. भाई हम बहुत ज़्यादा ही बोल दे रहा है, but from the vibe only, say this happened. मैं vibe के साथ ही खेल रहा था. Now Pineapple, you tell me. What do you think?
Okay, so I see you, like if you end up liking somebody and then you approach them and you have it in your head that you actually like them, and you know somewhere you want to take something ahead if it actually works out, I think that's not wrong. But the way you take it, the process, the actual you actually asking her out, and you actually the way you approach, I think with once you start talking to somebody, just trying to be friends, I think you end up knowing where they're going, and you end up understanding it. Just you
Not
they
always,
don't
but
really
yeah.
have to speak it out. Okay, fine, let's say you don't really you're not sure if the other person is interested or is not. Okay. But I think bringing it about somehow, or talking in, see, what the other person is, how their personality is, so what she'll be comfortable with, how you talk will make her comfortable, and how you can bring it about to her, to which she can actually give you a proper response. That way you can and I think it becomes easier once you actually start talking to somebody, and from the very start, if you actually just come on to that person, you are interested, or you definitely want to be in somewhere with it. And if from the very starting she was actually not even thinking about it, it's not going to go the way you want it to go. But if maybe the person actually has something for you, maybe she will go ahead and extend it. It also depends how from the starting, if you genuinely like somebody, you don't straight away go to that person and fuck it up by just being like, yeah, I'm actually interested in you and I want something. Yeah, so you're gonna be plain and you're gonna be yourself, and I don't think so any guy is just coming out to someone and just being like, yeah, I'm really interested in someone's personality all the time. I don't think so. Yeah.
But why, if you
So
get if you get a certain disinterest from the girl, immediately back away thoda sa. Don't keep ऐसा कोई this notion of you keep pursuing and एक दिन randomly पट जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं. This is not real. This doesn't happen. And even पट जाएगी is a statement which is problematic thoda sa.
I was just thinking.
And if the girl is actually not interested, then you end up keeping the friendship. I think that's really good. If nothing, then just friendship will work till how far you can take it. And yeah, maybe something actually happens, or maybe something doesn't happen. That's cool. You got to adapt to it. I think that's what you do with your friends, right? You adapt to their personality, you adapt to their nature, and then you're okay with it. You don't really actually go ahead and change how they are. You three, I think you guys have known each other from a very long time, and with growth, yeah, definitely changes come, but you guys know each other from the very starting. So
I think it makes sense. Vibe pehchano, guys. And if you can't understand the vibe, I think, because there will be a case, if you don't understand the vibe, don't give yourself the benefit of the doubt, I think. Don't give yourself the benefit of the doubt. Maybe talk to, if you have friends like Joyjeev and Rahul, talk to them, try to make them understand, or just don't, or just ask I think if you just ask the other person, very casually, not ki arey main on one knee or shit like that, just proposing. No, you asking the person ki, hey boss, dekho mere ko aisa. I'll tell you. कि देखो, I
Yeah.
feel, मतलब, I think it's not that difficult. Just say कि, hey, I think I have somewhere, I have feelings for you. I'll be very honest, and I just wanted to know what you think. You're
No,
not.
you can't be that. First of all, it's थोड़ा difficult to
ये
ask like
थोड़ा
this.
ज्यादा,
I'm
बहुत ज्यादा
sorry,
सिंप्लीफाई
Yeah,
कर दिया
sorry.
मैंने. ये मैं थोड़ा
But
ज्यादा सिंप्लीफाई कर
if
दिया.
you have to say this, I would not say this to anybody unless that person was like my best friend. Like that.
ठीक
Like
है,
very
I'll give you a
what I'm trying to
solution.
say.
I
Let's
don't
say
think.
let's say you ask that person to, let's say, go out for a meal or go out. हम लोग के पास टपरी होता था हमारे कॉलेज के पास. So you say individually if you're
What is
going out,
tapri?
टपरी is a shack.
यार ये ना अमीर लोग का जो प्रॉब्लम होता है ना,
Shack. Am I saying it with an accent correctly?
ये shack,
Okay.
you know, where you sit and you have some
Shack.
tea and some coffee and some biscuits right
Yeah,
there. Okay, Tani.
So वहाँ पे, if you, let's say in college also, if you're going to tapri one-on-one with some person, you're मतलब थोड़ा close that you can share a whole journey till the tapri and come back just one-on-one. That means there are going to be moments of silence where you're supposed to be comfortable. So if that person says yes for that long walk to and fro, which is basically 1 hour and a half वैसा का, means that the person is like comfortable with you to spend that much of time one-on-one with you. And if they say no, then understand that they're not in the same place as you are. So you can ask indirectly in these ways to judge the comfort level.
I think we've all had our moments of severe screw ups in the past
Yeah,
that we are talking from school. Good.
School के बाद भी, bro. And I think that's where all of us learn. I think that's the reason why we feel कि अभी हम लोग को समझ में कि and we can resonate with what Pineapple is saying and we can form an analysis कि हाँ हम लोग देखे हुए हैं, like so many of our friends have done this, we have done it, we might have been a part to it, we might have approached somebody वो बोल रही है नहीं हम लोग फिर भी पड़े हुए हैं. So I think that's where the learning comes. Just keep your eyes and ears open, see what's happening, and don't give yourself the benefit of the doubt. I'll
But,
make
like,
that point
it's
very
just-
clear once again.
Just my personal opinion, but I think like making friends first is like the most important thing. Like, what is that?
कटेगा.
What?
कटेगा
What do you mean
कटेगा बाबा.
katega?
कटेगा मतलब तुम्हारा कटेगा बस. It's universal. Don't make friends because see it's not like if you didn't have that kind of an intention and you're like yeah my friend and then maybe if it develops then of course
Yeah, that's
that
what I
goes
mean.
without saying, but okay fine it might have worked for you but I don't advise anybody. दोस्त मत
I
बनाओ
mean, I
यार,
don't think
please.
I also don't advise that.
मत
Like,
करो
don't,
भाई.
if you
No,
are
like you
interested in
don't. I'm not saying you have to be like chuddy buddies, okay? I'm just saying like get to know the other person a little bit. Like
so you can
exactly.
ask them out for a, say, for a date sort of a thing also.
Yeah.
राहुल का confidence नहीं था करने के लिए सब.
अभी भी नहीं है क्या बात कर रहा है?
So I think best solution which I found is one-on-one chilling.
Yeah.
One-on-one chilling is quote unquote date only somehow.
जो
I'll be very genuine
Yeah.
with you, but I've never
Joe.
had the balls
क्या?
to.
No.
no not
Hey,
even after
Can
two
you
one-on-one
can you
dates.
listen to me?
नहीं यार अभी मेरे को थोड़ा वो हो रहा है, थोड़ा नहीं समझ में आता है bro. Certain people are messed up in their brains. You think what you think the entire world is also thinking but the other person is like नहीं. Anyway यार वो दुख भरी कहानी है, वो ऐसे नहीं बोली जाएगी. साथ में ग्लेनफिडिच या कोई दारू की बोतल चाहिए होगी.
क्या
But
राहुल क्या बोल रहा था?
go on Rahul.
No,
दुख भरी कहानी.
you were talking about me having the guts to like do something like that. I was like, even now, like I've never gone and approached like a girl at a bar. It's just very awkward for me. मेरे से like
हाँ.
होता ही नहीं है.
वो भी
Like
नहीं होगा,
even
मेरे
if
से भी नहीं
even
होगा.
if I'm like one or two beers down, it's just like no, like not comfortable. I would rather talk to that person when we are sober.
Imagine Rahul going, hey, can I buy you a drink? hey. No, I can't think of any
You
other
guys are
pickup line.
such
और
nutcase.
Dennis pickup line.
राहुल का टेक्निक ही वही है. He friends पहले, उसके बाद subtly he'll like
Hey,
swoop in.
are you interested for a tennis match? Because I want to serve you a drink.
Horrible,
No.
horrible.
I
Horrible.
thought of it top of my head. I think it turned out to be very bad. No, this is not what I used to do, Pineapple. I'm just saying this is just
Yeah, it's okay. It's cool if you.
It's
You have
this is still better than you going down on your knee in the middle of the road.
he's done
Bro,
this
I
by the
think
way.
Yeah, I know.
that
He's
was
done
the
this.
most OG thing I've ever done, bro. I'm gonna write tales about it. यार गुर्दा चाहिए सब कुछ करने के लिए, ठीक है
People,
ना?
other people are going to
Are
write
they
tales
here?
about it. No, you're the Witcher.
All right,
Okay,
cool.
so anyone, so Pineapple, you have any final words, last words on this topic to our listener? Piece of advice
Last words.
on the episode,
Uh,
not of
I'm
your
not
life.
really okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I mean, like, you have something to tell me, then I'll give my feedback to whatever I
Any
felt
like
throughout this.
red lines which you think our listener should know about? Like,
is that how can
Well,
guys
okay, I
avoid
think
this in a way, or how can we avoid this entire
okay.
situation?
I think like the way you said, sometimes befriending them is great, and sometimes you want to actually start with a friendship, and whereas your friends actually disagreed, saying कि नहीं ऐसे कट जाएगा. So actually, I think both ways work somewhere. Like if you actually want to be friends, or if you actually want to continue taking the friendship ahead, or you just want to cut it out, because like from the start, like you guys were talking about vibe. So I think that you actually get it from this. Like once you actually become friends, you get different vibe.
ठीक है.
वो होगा मैटर.
That's it. That's our episode for tonight, guys. So last words would be understand the vibe that you're building with the other person. Understand it's difficult to understand, but get what you can from their body language. If someone says no or someone doesn't respond in the same way, don't continue trying. Understand that that's not the line that they want to take with regard to that relationship. If you really are interested in that person, ask them out on a date or ask them out for a one-on-one chilling session, and understand, try to read their, go to the Tapri or the Shack and try to understand the body language then. And tell us what you think is the best way. If you think going friends and then making friendships and then asking someone out for a date is the better way, or just never making friendships and directly asking someone on a date is the better way. So email us at 340@gmail.com with whatever you think. And please, if you want to follow our episodes, follow or subscribe to our channel wherever you're listening on this particular app, and also leave a review or like our podcast wherever you're listening it to, because it helps.
Guys, two more things to add as well. Number one, I know we've not been very active on Instagram. We'll try to go back to that. So we just want you guys to comment as much as you can. It helps with the Instagram algorithm and all of that. So we'll be putting out polls. We're doing out a bunch of things. Just make sure you can keep the engagement going. And number two, there's something new that we've started. We still haven't by the time you guys listen to this, it's obviously going to be out there. So if you guys like us, if you guys love us, if you guys have a crush on us, or you guys just love listening to our episodes or whatever, we've started a support kind of a thing for our podcast. So which you guys can donate, not donate, that's the wrong word. You guys can pitch and you guys can support us or whatever by putting in as low as rupees 199. It's totally up to you. And you're not going to get anything exclusive out of it. You're just going to get all of our love and much, much, much more. So if you guys want to support our podcast, the link will be there in each and every episode's description. It's on Tag Mango, and all our previous episodes the link is going to be there as well. So do that. We'd really love, and we know who you are. So you'll always share a very close bond with all of you. That's what we wanted to add. And Pineapple is back with the
I'm so sorry that happened.
Why don't you also ask people, because we concluded it, so why don't you also tell people to like, share, subscribe, follow, and do all of that? Let's see how good
Please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and listen to these guys. I think I really liked your episode, Pet Peeves, I guess. Yeah, it was really fun to listen to. I actually heard it twice, so that's really nice.
We have people who listen to stuff twice also. Nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Thank you guys. Talk to you next week. Bye-bye.
Yeah.